Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about attributed strings. So SwiftUI finally brought in attributed strings into or rather iOS has brought in attributed strings into SwiftUI space starting SwiftUI 3 and iOS 15. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look how you can actually use attributed strings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a property attributed string, and this is going to be of type attributed string, which is going to have which is going to allow us to mark portions of our string into to change their property. Just like you use your attributed string inside the UI kit, you can actually use it very similar to that. All right, so for that, what we're going to do is we're going to create a state property. Okay, so this is our local string that we're going to use with attributed string. So we're going to first get the properties by calling attributed string and supplying this attributed string that we want to convert the attributes to. Okay, and I'm going to return this attributed string. Yeah, there we go. ATTRS. Right, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna return this attributed string. Okay, and then we can change properties. So for example, we can write dev.key in a different color, for example. So you can say take the attributed string, find the character range for dev.key. Okay, and then what we can do is attributed string for your dev.key key or range. Set the foreground color to be for example orange is already there, so green. Okay, and then we can say videos we want to actually color with different color. So we can say videos is the range for videos is find this keyword and find videos keyword, set the foreground color to be maybe black. Okay, and then what you can do is you can simply use that string directly inside your text view. All right, so let's go ahead and resume. All right, we need to unwrap that, and let's go ahead and build and then resume. And what we should get is dev.key creates videos. As you can see, they are attributed with different colors. Now, other than foreground color, there are several other properties that you can actually update. For example, you have a background color. Okay, you have basically finding out different inflex, image URL, kerning, and several other things. Okay, that you can do with it, but I'm gonna actually keep it simple and change its background color as well. Okay, so I'm gonna change the background color to be black. All right, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the foreground color to be white. like that. Okay, so as you can see, the way range is applied is exactly to the word itself. So you can, like, be really creative with this, but all in all, attributed string finally is now natively supported within SwiftUI, starting SwiftUI 3. So you can start applying all those attributed strings examples, or use cases that you've been using in UIKit freely and natively into the SwiftUI. All right, so that was it for this video. Thanks again for watching.